Ever wonder how your daily food choices affect your health and well-being? Today, we delve into the fascinating world of carbs and sugar, two components that play a significant role in our diets. This video aims to shed light on the effects these elements have on our bodies. From understanding the science behind it to sharing practical tips for healthier living, we've got you covered, so strap in. Get ready to understand the true impact of carbs and sugar on your body, and discover how you can make better food choices. Before we delve deeper, it's important to understand what carbs and sugar really are. Carbohydrates or carbs are one of the main types of nutrients. They are the most important source of energy for your body. Your digestive system changes carbs into glucose, which is used by your body for energy. Carbs are broadly classified into two categories, simple and complex. Simple carbs include sugars found naturally in foods like fruits, vegetables, and milk. Complex carbs include whole grain breads and cereals, starchy vegetables and legumes. Sugar, on the other hand, is a type of simple carbohydrate that tastes sweet. There are many different types of sugar, but the most common one is called sucrose, which is what we commonly think of as table sugar. One common misconception about carbs and sugar is that they're all bad for you. While it's true that overconsumption can lead to health problems, our bodies need these nutrients to function. Now that we know what carbs and sugar are, let's explore how they affect our bodies. Carbohydrates, they aren't just about weight gain. As we delve into the effects of carbs on the body, it's vital to understand that they play a much larger role than you might think. Carbohydrates serve as our body's primary source of energy, fueling everything from your morning jog to your midnight snack raid. When we consume carbs, our bodies break them down into sugars, which are then absorbed into the bloodstream. As the sugar level rises in your body, your pancreas releases insulin, a hormone that prompts cells to absorb blood sugar for energy or storage. This process is what keeps us moving, grooving, and generally getting through our day. But carbs aren't just about physical energy. They're also essential for our brain function. Our brains run almost exclusively on glucose, the simplest form of sugar, and can consume up to 2/3 of the carbs we eat. So, when you're crunching numbers at work or trying to remember the name of that song you heard last week, it's carbohydrates that are powering those mental gymnastics. Carbs also have a significant effect on our mood. A steady intake of the right kind of carbs can help maintain a balance of serotonin, a hormone that helps regulate mood, sleep, and appetite. Ever noticed how a bowl of oatmeal or a piece of fruit can make you feel happier and more relaxed? That's serotonin at work. Now, here's the kicker. Not all carbs are created equal. There are good carbs, like those found in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, which release energy slowly and help keep your blood sugar levels stable. And then there are bad carbs, like those in sugary drinks, white bread, and pastries, which can cause your blood sugar to spike and crash, leading to fatigue and cravings. So, it's not about eliminating carbs altogether, but rather choosing the right ones. The ones that give you steady energy, keep your mood balanced, and support your overall health. As you can see, not all carbs are created equal. Sugar, it's not as sweet as it seems. When we think of sugar, we often envision sweet treats and delightful desserts. Yet the effects of sugar on our bodies are far from delightful. Firstly, let's talk about energy levels. Consuming sugar can result in a quick surge of energy, often referred to as a sugar high. However, this high is short-lived and is typically followed by a sugar crash. This cycle can leave you feeling perpetually tired and lethargic. Next, let's discuss dental health. Sugar is a primary contributor to tooth decay. It feeds the harmful bacteria in your mouth, leading to the production of acids that erode tooth enamel. This process can lead to cavities and other dental issues. Now onto the more serious implications. Overconsumption of sugar is linked with an increased risk of heart disease. It can lead to obesity, high blood pressure, and inflammation, all of which are risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, high sugar intake is a major factor in the development of type 2 diabetes. When you consume too much sugar, your body can become resistant to insulin, the hormone that regulates blood sugar levels. This can lead to dangerously high blood sugar levels and eventually, diabetes. Let's not forget about obesity. Sugar, especially in liquid form like sodas, can contribute to weight gain. It's easy to consume large amounts of sugar without realizing it, and these empty calories can lead to weight gain and obesity over time. However, it's important to note the difference between natural and processed sugars. Natural sugars found in fruits and dairy come with essential nutrients. Processed sugars, on the other hand, provide calories but lack nutritional value. So let's summarize. Sugar can affect your energy levels, damage your teeth, increase your risk of heart disease and diabetes, and contribute to obesity. Yet not all sugars are created equal. Natural sugars, accompanied by vital nutrients, can be part of a balanced diet. It's clear that while sugar may taste good, its effects on our bodies can be quite harmful. Let's consider this the next time we reach for that sugary treat. Ever thought about cutting back on carbs and sugar? Let's dive into the benefits of embracing a low-carb and sugar-free lifestyle. One of the most obvious perks is weight loss. When you limit your intake of carbs, your body needs to find an alternative source of energy. It turns to stored fat, breaking it down to fuel your day. This process, known as ketosis, can result in significant weight loss. But the benefits aren't just about shedding pounds. A low-carb lifestyle can also improve your cardiovascular health. Researchers have found that reducing carbohydrate intake can lead to lower blood pressure and improved cholesterol levels. This means a healthier heart and a reduced risk of cardiovascular disease. And let's not forget about the impact on blood sugar control. Many of us are walking around with higher than ideal blood sugar levels, often without even realizing it. This can lead to a host of health problems down the line, including type 2 diabetes. But by cutting out sugar and reducing carbs, you can take control of your blood glucose levels. Studies have shown that a low-carb, sugar-free diet can help to lower blood sugar and improve insulin sensitivity. It's not just about physical health though. Mental well-being plays a huge part in our overall health. And guess what? A diet low in carbs and free from sugar can help there too. Research suggests that such a diet can lead to improved mood and increased energy levels. There's no denying that making the switch to a low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle can be challenging. It involves rethinking your food choices and possibly dealing with some initial withdrawal symptoms. But the potential benefits, from weight loss and heart health to blood sugar control and improved mood, are impressive. In the end, it's about making choices that support your health and well-being. And for many of us, that might mean giving a low-carb, sugar-free lifestyle a try. A carb and sugar-free lifestyle might be challenging, but the benefits are worth the effort. Scene script. Ready to make a change? Here are some practical tips. Embarking on a carb and sugar-free lifestyle may seem daunting, but with a few practical tips, it can become a manageable and fulfilling journey. One of the first steps is meal planning. By planning what you're going to eat in advance, you can ensure that your meals are balanced and carb-free. For instance, you can swap out rice for cauliflower rice, or wheat pasta for zucchini noodles. Remember, variety is the spice of life, so don't hesitate to experiment with different recipes. Next, it's essential to get into the habit of reading food labels. Many processed foods are loaded with hidden sugars and carbs. Watch out for terms like glucose, fructose, and sucrose, which are all fancy names for sugar. Also beware of foods labeled as low-fat, as they often contain added sugars to compensate for the lack of fat. Looking for healthy alternatives is another key strategy. Instead of reaching for a sugary treat when you're craving something sweet, why not try a piece of fruit or a handful of berries? They're naturally sweet and packed with fiber. And for your carb cravings, reach for nutrient-dense foods like quinoa or sweet potatoes. They're not only delicious, but also beneficial for your health. But remember, Rome wasn't built in a day. You don't have to make all these changes at once. Start with small, manageable steps. Maybe swap out one sugary or carb-loaded food a week. Once you start seeing and feeling the benefits, you'll be more motivated to continue. And if you slip up once in a while, don't beat yourself up. It's all part of the journey. Also, don't forget to hydrate. Drinking plenty of water can help curb cravings and keep you feeling full. Plus, it's great for your overall health. To wrap it up, a carb and sugar-free lifestyle is not about deprivation, but about making healthier choices. It's about nourishing your body with what it needs, not what it craves. Remember, every small change counts towards a healthier lifestyle. It's time to take control of your health. Remember, carbohydrates and sugars can have a significant impact on your body, but a carb and sugar-free lifestyle offers numerous benefits. It's not just about losing weight, it's about embracing a healthier way of living. Remember, this isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about lifelong changes that pave the way for better health and well-being. So why wait? Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle today. The power is in your hands.